Many people experiencing financial difficulty in Lethbridge are considering bankruptcy. If you are contemplating filing bankruptcy in Lethbridge, there are a few things to consider with respect to your credit rating. My name is David Smith, a trustee with personalbankruptcycanada.ca. Your credit rating will be affected significantly by filing for bankruptcy, which is why you should consider your other options first. If you have equity in things you own, such as a home or car, you can use this to secure a debt consolidation loan. Of course, you may have already gone this route and are still struggling to stay afloat, in which case filing for bankruptcy may be the next step, and it is not the end of the world. You can and will rebuild your credit rating immediately by complying with the conditions set out for your bankruptcy. So a bankruptcy trustee can't help you to repair your credit, but they can give you the tools for repairing it yourself. In fact, many people report the process of going through bankruptcy and building their credit rating back up as a positive event, one in which they learned how to manage their money and, more importantly, be worry and bad debt free for the rest of their lives. But more simply, no, we can't help you repair your credit, but that doesn't matter because you will be able to do it for yourself, and that is a much more rewarding experience. For more information, visit personalbankruptcylethbridge.ca.